Hello future makers, welcome to TeacherPreneur. 24th of January each year is celebrated as National Education Day. Education is the passport to future and we teachers form a very important part of this education system. Though we teachers keep on working day and night to fulfill our objectives of shaping the future of the nation, we are not respected enough in terms of earnings and support. Even on YouTube, we teachers have a very little corner of the internet. Especially in India, we have very limited number of TeacherTubers who are working day in and day out for us, for the teacher community, to help them grow and succeed in life. I, as a teacher and a YouTuber, believe in collaboration over competition. So in today's video, on the occasion of National Education Day, I thought, why not bring to you the top educational YouTube channels in India that you must follow if you are aiming to be a teacher or if you are a teacher. Make sure you watch the whole video and go through each of their channels and support our little teacher community so that we can grow bigger. And now, without wasting time, just let's get started. Whenever we talk about teacher tubers, हमारी सबसे senior teacher tuber है पूनम मैम. She has two channels. One is Learning Never Ends and second is Teaching Tips Guru. दोनों पे वो काफी अच्छे वीडियोस डालती है, कंसिस्टेंटली और रेगुलरली वीडियोस डालती है. She is a government teacher and she puts up videos in Hindi. उनके डेमो लेक्चर्स, उनके इंटरैक्टिव सेशंस और उनकी टिप्स आपको बहुत काम आएंगी. इवन इफ यू आर अ न्यू टीचर, अ ऑलरेडी एस्टैब्लिश्ड टीचर, उनकी टिप्स आपको बहुत काम आएंगी while teaching. Also, if you're a teacher who's wishing to open a new YouTube channel, she has a course on it as well as a whole playlist on YouTube that will help you establish yourself on YouTube. Her approach is very simple yet very effective. And if you don't know about her already, I think you must check her out. Link in the description. The next teacher tuber that I would highly recommend is SHILPI DWIVEDI ma'am. बहुत कम टीचर्स हैं जो YouTube पे B.Ed और M.Ed के टॉपिक्स को कवर करते हैं और आपको टीचिंग एग्जाम्स जैसे कि CTET के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं. Shilpi ma'am is one of them. She has joined YouTube just a year ago, but she has been consistently uploading videos on all the topics that could be covered for a student teacher. So if you are a student teacher, go follow her right now and I'm sure you'll be benefited. The third channel on YouTube that I would highly recommend for teachers is YEARN to Learn. That is by Priya Handa ma'am. Priya ma'am is consistent with her videos and उनके सबसे viral videos है how to celebrate something virtually. हर महीने I don't know how she comes up with this amazing ideas on celebrating festivals virtually and in her own way. Her videos are awesome and I'm sure आपने एक ना एक बार तो उनका ऐसा वीडियो देखा ही होगा. Also, जब तक मेरा ये वीडियो अपलोड हो, I'm sure she's uploaded a video on how to celebrate Republic Day virtually. तो अगर आपको इनमें से किसी भी चीज पे कोई आइडिया चाहिए और you need tips on education, transformation and motivation, head on to her channel. She also has this amazing playlist called Perspective by Priya, जहाँ वो positive stories से आप सबको motivate करने की बहुत कोशिश करती है. So if you haven't subscribed to her channel yet, go follow her now. The fourth and the most amazing YouTuber is Suchita ma'am. She has a channel on YouTube called SUCHITA'S Experiences. She is based from Delhi but currently teaching in Dubai. So basically she has experience of teaching in India as well as in Dubai. तो उनके वीडियोस से आपको बहुत कुछ जानने मिलेगा. She has attended a lot of parenting seminars also and keeps regularly uploading videos on demo lectures, interview tips, her parenting tips and much more. Also, my favorite video on her channel is which board to choose, CBSE, ICSE or IB. That video is must watch. Her channel is loaded with interactive games and demos. If you haven't watched her channel yet, I'm sure you'll love it when you go there. So make sure you try it out. The next most amazing teacher tuber is Saroj Mishra ma'am. She is very senior और वो काफी सारे videos डालती है. पता है किस बारे में? Teacher job openings, educational news, notices, admissions regarding teaching and much more. तो उनका चैनल आपको प्रैक्टिकल वर्ल्ड में बहुत काम आएगा because she gives regular tips on what's going on in the education field. कहाँ नई वैकेंसी निकली है, कौन से एडमिशंस के लिए आपको क्या करना चाहिए, कौन सी एग्जाम की डेट कब निकली है, रिजल्ट कब आएगा and much more. So if you follow her, I'm sure you'll always be in touch with what's happening in our education and teaching field. So you must follow her. Go check her out. The next channel that I would highly recommend for teachers on YouTube is A Lot to Learn. This channel is run by Trilekha ma'am and she keeps on uploading very good videos on work from home ideas for teachers, parenting tips, amazing interactive activities while teaching, and much more. So if you haven't checked her out, I think you must go and check her channel. The next channel on YouTube for teachers is Let's Learn. On this channel, there are regular videos on teaching exams. So if you're preparing for any teaching exams, I think this channel will help you go a very long way in your teaching career. So make sure you check her out. Last but not the least, ये चैनल जिस पर आप वीडियो देख रहे हैं, TeacherPreneur, उसको भी सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. Khyati ma'am tries her best to come up with new videos in the education and the teaching field to help you in your teaching journey. I hope you support. Thank you for watching the whole video. I have left a link of all the channels that I mentioned in the video in the description box below. If you like today's video, do hit the like button. Comment and tell us how many of these TeacherTubers you already knew and how many of them are you gonna subscribe now. Share this video with all the people in the teacher community that you can know of and help us by supporting in a very small way by subscribing to our channels. For more such teaching related content, do subscribe to TeacherPreneur. See you soon.